Hello, good morning, my dear students. I'm Daphne Nicole. Welcome to my PT3 Science Discussions. In this video, we will discuss about the structure of ears, and I will show you how are you going to memorize the part of the ear. Now, let's start our lesson today.
My dear students, have you ever thought about how do you see an object and its color in your surrounding? How do you hear the sound around you? The answer of these questions is the presence of sense organs. There are 5 sensory organs in the human body. The 5 sensory organs are the eyes, tongue, ears, nose, and skin. The ears are organs that provide 2 main functions: hearing and balance.
Our human ear divided into 3 parts: outer, middle, and inner part.
In preparations for your exam, it is very important that you must be able to spell scientific vocabulary correctly. This is because the teacher knows what you are trying to say and mark them accordingly. Before the explanations, I hope you will memorize the following new words. After you have memorized these new words, you will find that you have also memorized the structure of the ear and the functions of each part. Don't believe me? Then let's challenge our memory ability together. Now, please take out the paper and pen, write the following words several times, and memorize them by heart. I believe that you already memorized all the scientific terms here. Now, let's see how we going to draw and memorize the part of the ear. We already remember the name of the part A, part B, and part C. So, how about part group D? Next, we will go to the part of how does hearing work. Actually, hearing depends on a series of complex steps that change sound wave in the air into nerve impulse and send to the brain and translate it into a sound you can understand. The mechanism of hearing is as follows. When something makes a noise, it sends sound wave through the air. pinna collects sound wave, and the sound wave travel through the ear canal to your eardrum. The eardrum changes sound wave into sound vibrations and send these vibrations to ossicle. Ossicles are three tiny bones that amplify and transmit the vibrations from the eardrum to our window. These tiny bones are the smallest bones in our human body. After the sound vibrations transfer into the oval window will collect and transfer the sound vibrations to the cochlea. The receptor cell in the cochlea will change the sound vibrations into the nerve impulses. Then the auditory nerve carries these nerve impulses to the brain. Lastly, the brain interprets these nerve impulses and tell you what you are hearing. So, this is the pathway of the mechanism of hearing. At first, the pinna will collect the sound wave, and the sound wave travels through the ear canal to your eardrum. Eardrum turns sound wave into sound vibrations and send to ossicle. Then ossicle will amplify the sound vibrations. Our window will transfer the sound vibrations to cochlea. Then cochlea will turn the sound vibrations into nerve impulses. Lastly, the nerve impulses will send to brain by auditory nerve. My dear students, if you know the mechanism of the hearing, sure you will know the functions of each part of our ear. So, this is the functions of the parts of the human ear. Now, let's see what are the parts of the ear involved balancing. Semicellular canals and eustachian tube are not involved in hearing. Let's see the functions of semicellular canal in our inner ear. The semicellular canal look like three tightly connected tubes. The semicellular canal detect positions and movement of head to help us stay balanced. Lastly, eustachian tube. Eustachian tube balance the air pressure on both sides of the eardrum. My dear students, I hope you already remember the functions of each part of the ear and the hearing mechanism. Thank you.